Hi, my first class Falcon. This is Miss Pearl coming at you from my dining room. All right, let's get started on 7-3. An eighth grade class rolls a number cube 50 times. The number cube has sides labeled 1 through 6. The table shows the result. Find the relative frequency for a roll a number less than 4. All right, so relative kind of means like what's going on around you. So for this, we're only talking about the eighth grade class, right? And then frequency means how often something happens. So the relative frequency for roll a number less than 4. So again, is 4 less than 4? No, but 3 is. So we're going to count the number of times, the frequency or the number of times somebody rolled a 3, the frequency for rolling a 2, and the frequency for rolling a 6. So we're going to add up those numbers. Oop, try that one again. All right, 8 plus 4 plus 6. And that's over our number of trials, which is 50. And they were nice and they told you what it was instead of making you add it all up. All right, and we get 18 over 50. Now they're asking us for our percent. So let's get our decimal first. All right, we get 0.36 if we do 18 divided by 50. Now to get a percent, we're going to multiply by 100. And we get 36%. Fantastic. So we have Ellen flipped a coin 80 times. The coin landed heads up 44 times and tails up 36 times. Compare the theoretical and experimental probabilities of the coin landing tails up. So the theoretical probability, now in theory, if you flip a coin, you will land on tails 1 out of a possible 2 outcomes. That makes sense? You can land on tails once out of 2 possible outcomes, which is heads or tails. So 1/2 as a decimal is 0.5, and that equals 50%. Now it's asking us the experimental probability of landing tails up. So we landed tails up 36 times out of 80. All right, let's get a decimal for this, which is 0.45. We're going to multiply that by 100 to get our percent. And we get 45%. Fantastic. So the theoretical probability is greater than the experimental probability.